Looking for a quality hydraulic pedal assembly for your ride? How about something name brand and built with top quality parts? Well, stay tuned. Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Dan's Performance Parts is proud to offer Empi's hydraulic pedal assemblies. These pedal assemblies feature a cast aluminum mounting bracket base that is fitted with a high-grade pedal shaft and hardware that will connect the jig-built, chrome-plated brake and clutch pedals to the assembly. This aluminum base also provides a solid foundation for the master cylinder connection as well. And speaking of the master cylinder's aluminum casting is machined to exact tolerances to make these assemblies work under the most extreme conditions. Then to finish them off, the master cylinders are chrome-plated to give them that show-quality look. The brake and clutch master cylinders are offered with 3/4 or 7/8 inch bores to operate most calipers and wheel cylinder sizes. These master cylinders have a built-in deep wall reservoir, as well as a chrome-plated lid with a screw-on easy fill cap for easy maintenance. For the line connection, the master cylinders are drilled and tapped for a 1/8 inch NPT fitting and connect at the end of the master cylinder. Note, a throttle pedal and clutch slave cylinder will need to be ordered separately, and we have provided links to these items in the description below. So, if you're looking for a quality pedal assembly for your ride, or you're just looking for a great choice for that new build, this Empi pedal assembly would be an excellent choice. Be sure to check out Empi's pedal assemblies at the links listed in the description below. Thanks for watching the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Please be sure to check out our site at dansperformanceparts.com for our complete line of vintage air-cooled VW parts and accessories. Our specialty is geared towards the Manx-style fiberglass dune buggy, sand rails, Baja bugs, Dragon Street performance cars, as well as kit car vehicles too. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, and please do us a favor by hitting that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases or how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.